Hello, okay, today we're going to do the gear linkage on a Freelander 1.8 PG. Why are we doing this? Because when you put it in gear, as you can see that's now in first gear, there's a lot of play on the stick and that's a bit ridiculous. So I've ordered a new part, which is this piece here. This is from Abbes Performance. He comes with this. You get another bush as well and just some end caps. Alright, it's a fairly simple job, it's just a bit fiddly to get to, so let's make a start. Okay guys, all we've done is disconnected the hill descent switch from the inside of the car, dead easy. Now here we're underneath the car, you can actually see the linkage at the front of the gearbox that goes in. Looks like somebody has put a quick fix in at some point in the past. It should have a clip on this, but on this one it's actually got a nut and bolt. You can see the head of the nuts at the bottom of the shaft. So we need to get that out first, which I will now do. Once this is released, then we'll go back to the other end of the shaft and take that out as well. Alright, I'm not sure how good this camera is focusing, but that is the removed bolt. So I leave that gear selector now in position. We're now going to turn our attention to the one at the back. So let me get in position. Where are you, bugger? Which is this fella here. Alright, it's a simple one. There's a bolt runs through it with a nut on, so you just take that off and then you can slide the shaft out backwards to the vehicle. Then we can start to fit the new bushes. Okay, then we've got the part off. You can see the shaft there. We're going to need to keep that piece. This needs to be cut off. I'm just going to use a hacksaw to get rid of it, and I'll just show you the back end so you know that the long edge goes towards the driver's side. Alright, let's get this new part fitted. Alright, that's the new bracket fitted. You can see it there, nut and bolt job. I would recommend, if you're taking off the old one, to angle grind the welds off and then use some sort of a vise to push the old bushes through, because it's an absolute bitch of a job. Likewise, getting the new bushes into this is a bit of a pain as well. You could really do with a press. Fortunately, a very kind man around the corner of an engineering shop helped me get these in. So we'll now get that back fitted to the car. Alright guys, there's the new linkage in place. Just a reversal of taking the thing out basically. We'll go and check the gears and see what it works. Alright, it's all done. So there's not as much movement now in the stick. Feels a lot more precise and a lot better to change gears. I would recommend that to anybody. I'm not an expert chap, so don't claim to be, so just do what you can do. Hopefully it'll work for you. Cheers.